Spring is finally here. Today I'm gonna show you 100 different ways to watch cherry blossom.
Wait, what?
Just kidding. Today is the day. I finally got my hands on the Invisalign package. After spending more than an hour at the orthodontist's office to bond some attachments onto my teeth. And ta-da! I'm heading home right now. Can't wait to unpack this to share with you guys something interesting. Alright, let's see what is inside. The most important thing is absolutely the clear retainers. My course of treatment has 40 sets in total, divided into 3 boxes as you can see. Now let's open one of them and see what is inside. This is the aligner tray seater, aka Chewy. A useful piece of rubber, especially when you start wearing a new set. Dentists will recommend you to chew it for a few minutes every night, and I strongly recommend you to do so even a few times per day to speed up the treatment. There are only 2 of them in the whole package, so you should ask the dentist for more because each one only lasts for probably a month. This little green thing here is said to be a retainer retriever, but to be honest, I think it will be way easier and faster to remove the trays with your own fingernails. As you can see, the hook is too thick and it is totally not working for me. But I have a use for it that I will demonstrate in another video. Next in the box, we have dental elastics. If you remember, I have one tooth that grows way too high up and it needs to be pulled down by using these rubber bands every night. You can see how small it is and can be difficult to handle if you have big fingers. And this is only the 3rd smallest one of this kind. Don't worry, I will show you an easy way to put this on. And last but not least, the aligners. They are numbered clearly on the back and the trays themselves. This one, for example, you can see here is the Invisalign logo, and here it says U07, which means this is my 7th aligner for the upper teeth. And the other one will say L07 for lower teeth. You can see there are kind of buttons on my aligners because my treatment requires attachments bonded to my teeth to enhance the movement. Next, inside this nice and luxurious box is the travel case to bring with you. I usually put my elastics in there as well when I go on a trip. And it comes with cleaning solution that I never ever need to use it because I replace retainers every 1 or 2 weeks. At the bottom is the instruction booklet showing you how to care and clean your aligners properly, as well as answering some common questions. Next is the device called ScanBox by Dental Monitoring that has become increasingly popular among orthodontists. It comes with an app you can download onto your phone. Thanks to this, you can now send photos of your teeth to dentists for checkup without having to leave your house. Very helpful during the pandemic. It looks pretty cool, doesn't it? Like a VR headset. You can also review your records and see your treatment progress in the app. Coming with the ScanBox is this cheek retractor. It has the same function as the regular one, except for having 2 magnets here that you can attach to the ScanBox. It certainly has different sizes, as mine is size M. Every time I see a cheek retractor, I can't stop thinking about Mandy Moore when she tried to say this on the Ellen Show.
Donkey. Heck, what? The donkey? No. The donkey did not do that.
That was hilarious. Next, we have a little vibrator that can give your teeth pleasure. So I call it sex toy for your teeth. It's a rechargeable device that is set to accelerate your teeth movement. Does it really work? I will talk about this in another video. And finally, we have a cleaning solution that can help whiten your aligners and teeth, as well as refresh your breath. Okay guys, I want to keep this unboxing video short. So in the next video, I will put these accessories in action and we'll talk about if we really need all of them. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to get notified about the upcoming videos. Until then, stay safe and take care everyone.